Hey everybody, it's Roland Real from Complete Trader Academy, another daily review. Today is Friday the 6th, 2023. Let's hop right into it here. We had NFP today and big bullish candle took out the rest of that imbalance that we've been talking about for over a couple weeks now. Look how it smacked it perfectly. Definitely not random. Definitely this is not buyer and seller pressure. There's no such thing. There's no way that can be the case. This is a straight algorithm that is manipulated. Phenomenal if you know that. Look at this. Look at the precision coming right to that. Now, we said yesterday that the price was going to either whipsaw down or up, right? It was going to whip down or up. So this was the open of the day. And keep in mind, previously yesterday, which we didn't discuss, but we had to get more flow. This high got broken to the upside. This became bullish order flow once it broke up here. So once, because it could have just sank down. This was the open right here at 8:30. Broke above this high. So that's now you got two breaks. That's an order flow. Boom. Price rallied up. I don't do anything in this whole time. I'm not doing anything. I could have caught it. I could have caught it literally when it touched here. But that's gambling. I'm not trying to play around like that, man. Especially on news. You definitely don't want to. On certain news you can. I mean, but not really when it's not the first move. You should never trade the first price action in news. So price came up, finally reversed, and I'm looking for a retracement. And at this point, I'm not looking for it to really go down because now I have this high. This high. I have this high, and look to the left. I have all this liquidity here. I have to go to an hour to see this. Look at this. You got here, which I mentioned in the last video. Please watch that. And then you had this high. So I'm waiting for a retracement and then to skyrocket up. And then now I know that we're pretty much headed up here. And the bullish side is just too strong. The support is too strong right here. And the algorithm wants to come and fill up that balance, like I said, to the T. I mean, look, you gotta understand this. Right to it. This is what it's hunting. Okay, this is not buyers in America and overseas buying and selling, and I 100% manipulated. You don't get structure like this because of fucking people buying and selling. I was born at night, but not last night. Okay, because I'm sorry, you do not get structure from buyers and sellers doing this. I don't give a shit what anybody says. All right, period. So I'm just saying it this way because it's like you can't get any more obvious. I mean, for me, it's easy to see this. I got an art eye. Okay, I'm one of these guys from since I was 6 years old that I'm able to see patterns well and see things and differently than I would say most. I'm not bragging, but I'm just saying. So it's logically, I'm a very logical guy too. You do this is not buying and selling pressure. Period. All right. This is an agenda that it's on every day. Very simple. Boom, it tagged it. Now tomorrow, Monday next week, do we raise up in here? I'll be honest with you, it does not have to. It is good. It can just it'll probably gap down on Monday, and then you'll see this. You see how you see this right here? You see how you see this kind of order flow like that? You're gonna start seeing it. You're gonna start seeing it this way. That's what I'm assuming. What I'm looking for. Could we keep going up? Yeah, we could. We could come up in here and here. Let me go to a daily. I mean, yeah, I mean, we could go higher up in here. And let me go to a week chart since this week is done. Sure. This next week candle that opens, it could definitely come above the high of where we are now that we just made and hit. It could come up a little bit. It could come up a little bit and then just start coming down and be a bearish candle. Something like this, but not of extreme, obviously. So yeah, I'm looking for it to come like this and come back down. And then now take out these lows, and then we can start finishing these lows and going into this major imbalance of price in here. All right. Hope this helps you guys. Take care. Have a good weekend. God bless.